so much fun to get pretty loud. All right, keep it. Yeah, no, no. No, she come out. Before I get started on this, I'm going to take it out for a bath. That'll work. There we go. Bring you in close so we can see what's going on here. Looks like I didn't get all the old grass and crap out. All right. Good enough for now. All right, well, what's on the agenda for this poor old mower deck? That mower is probably about 12 years old, and this poor deck has been beat up and tore up and welded and refixed and just patched, and it's gonna need a lot of love. So I thought, well, what the hell, we'll take it down. I've got to replace the spindle. Both of my brake pads are like non-existent now. So when I disengage the blades, this thing spins for a few minutes until it finally slows down. So the bearings are still good, it's just the spindle's broke. And check the belt, replace those pads, replace the spindle. Take a look at some of the welds on here. I think I got some welds breaking loose. End of the day, I'm going to do a full makeover of this deck. This poor old deck's been in bad shape for quite a few years, so we'll see what needs to be done. That was a quick weld job back a couple of years ago. Somehow I hit something and broke the wheel off. So, time to take it apart. Looks like I got to do some actual deck repair. That looks like it's all rusted, about to rust through. That fast and dirty weld is still holding up. Looks ugly as sin, but still holding. It reminds me, you know what the difference between a rancher and a welder? A welder doesn't claim he can ranch. Okay. Yeah, that was not as funny as I thought it was going to be. That cable, that's the brake cable, brake engagement. Yeah, that brake pad's completely gone. No wonder that sucker just sits and spins. So is that one. All right. So I need 2 brake pads. Springs still feel, they got some good tension on them. I'll have to take that one off. Okay, looks like I'm going to make an Amazon order and I'll get back to you.